Fort Myers. Fort Myers, this is for you. This is Mike Reed coming to you with your Manitowoc training class for 2023. This is going to be held at New Crown Plaza, 9931 Interstate Commerce Drive, Fort Myers, Florida. You can either take the class November 14th or Wednesday, November 15th. It's a little more than half a day from 8 to 1. $85, and you just need to call Lorna Allen or you can email her. The information is listed below. You can always stop by your local Baker Supply House and pay for the class and sign up and register right then and there. All right, so just a little quick video, about a minute and a few seconds long, but Fort Myers, Florida, this is for you. If you're in Sarasota, yours is coming. So no need of going to this if you are in Fort Myers. So here's yours now. Thank you.